Welcome to 5D Tutor Black Adam, where you find partial fraction of the decomposition of the following rational function. So we have that 5x plus 7 over x cubed plus 2x squared minus x minus 2. So what we have to do, we have to put it in this format where we know that the ratio numerator over denominator will be a over a1x plus b1 plus so that will be a1, that will be a2 over a2x plus b2, and then we continue the series until we have an and anx plus bn. Now with that in mind, we have this numerator is 5x plus 7 and our denominator is x cubed plus 2x squared minus x minus 2 is equivalent to a. So let's say a1 is a, and then let's break down our denominator. So x cubed plus 2x plus x squared plus 2x squared minus x minus 2. So we can see that we can factor x squared there out. So we factor x squared and we're left with x plus 2, and then we can factor -1 there so that we can have x plus 2. So -1 and then plus x plus 2. So we didn't change anything, so we can also factor that out, x plus 2. So we're gonna factor x plus 2 out, and then we have x squared minus 1, and then we know that we have x plus 2, and we can also factor that x squared minus 1 would be x minus 1 plus 1. And then with that we have numerator a over x minus 1 plus b over x plus 1 plus c over x plus 2. And then those are the ratios. The order doesn't matter. Then we multiply both sides. So we multiply by denominators x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 1, and all that gives us both. Okay, so multiply both sides. So that gives us 5x plus 7 because we have all the denominator there, and that one there cancels that. So we have those two products there, x plus 2. So it's a bracket x plus 2 x plus 1, and then that cancels that. So we have x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 1. So it's b bracket x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 1. And the same thing, that cancels that, so we have x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 1. So it's c, so it's cx minus 1, and then we have x plus 1. And from there we have to multiply the bracket, so it's going to be a bracket x times x is x squared, x, and that's going to give us 3x plus 2, and we have there b is going to be x squared plus x, and then 2 times -1 -2, and then also c, that's going to be x, the x, okay, cancels the -1. So that's what we have. And now we have a plus b plus c, so we're multiplying the first, so a times x squared, b times, and so forth, c plus x times x squared, so forth. So it's a plus b, and then we have a plus, that's 3a, and then we have b, well, it's factored by x, so that means a times 3x, and then b times x, which is 3a plus b, all that coefficient of x. And then constants, we have 2a minus 2, okay, that they cancel as well, minus 2b minus c. So that is 5x plus 7. Now all we have there, we have okay, so that's gonna be a plus b plus c is going to be, we have 0x squared there, so 0x squared, it doesn't show. So because it doesn't show, then we're gonna say 0. And then we have 3a plus b is equals to 5, so that's going to be 5. So 3a plus b is 5, and then we have 2a. Okay, so let's put 2b there. So it's 2a minus 2b is equals to 7. Yeah, that's minus c. Yeah, minus c. That part there is equals to that part. So it's 12. I mean, it's minus 7. So all that adds to 0. Okay, so all that adds to 0. So we have 6a. We count all the a plus 3 plus 2a. So we have a is 12 over 6, and now a is going to be 2. And then we come again and we deal with b. So we know that 3a, or a is 2, plus b is equals to 5, and that means now solving for b is going to be 5 minus 6, which is negative 1. And then we now come to a plus b plus c is equals to 0. So a plus 2 is equals to 0, and then that's, we know that all the values of a, b and c, I mean for b, so substituting the b and a, we have c there is equals to negative 1. So now we have all the values that we want. We write the fraction as it is. So this 5x plus 7 over x cubed plus 2x squared minus x minus 2 is equals to, a is 2, and that's 2 over x minus 1, and then that's negative 1 over x plus 1, and then we have negative 1 over x plus 2. So that's our c and a, b, and all those values. Yeah, so that's our final answer. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any comment, leave below. And then yeah, that's it, measure. I appreciate your work and all that. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe for more similar problems. If you have any question, you can leave below, and don't forget to subscribe or follow. Thank you so much appreciated.